Welcome to Gears Canada, where your adventure is our mission. Our customer happiness team is eager to assist with product-related questions and can even help guide you to the perfect gear for your activity and budget. You can call or text us at 647-400-3081.
Protect your investment with the Gears Snowmobile cover, tailor-made for unmatched durability and functionality. This heavy-duty cover is crafted from 600D UV-treated polyester that stands up to the elements, resisting fading and tearing. Reinforced at critical points like the suspension, handlebar, and windshield areas, it ensures long-lasting use without wear. What really sets this cover apart is its smart design. Vents strategically placed throughout the cover promote airflow, keeping your snowmobile dry and reducing lofting when trailering at high speeds. For those who need quick and secure fitting, the elastic hem cord and integrated trailering system come into play. These features include built-in quick-adjusting straps and tension panels that hold the cover tight even when hauling on the highway. However, please note that this cover does not extend over the skis of your snowmobile. The interior of the cover is just as thoughtfully designed, with extra soft line near the windshield and hood to prevent scratches. Additionally, the fuel tank access door is a game changer, allowing for easy refueling without the need to remove the cover completely. Each cover also comes with a convenient storage bag for when it's not in use. This cover is compatible with all Polaris sleds from 2016 onward. This includes a wide range of models from recreational and mountain sleds, like the Voyageur and Pro RMK, to crossover and trail sleds like the Switchback and Indy series. Owners of the Polaris Titan Adventure 155 or the 2023 Ski-Doo Expedition should opt for SKU 300331-ADV for optimal fit.
Remember, all Gears products come with an ironclad 1-year warranty, ensuring your peace of mind. So what are you waiting for? Add to cart and go seize your adventure.